Stork behavior is a fascinating topic that sheds light on the habits and actions of these majestic birds. Storks are known for their impressive migratory patterns, unique breeding and nesting behaviors, and exceptional foraging abilities. As a result, studying stork behavior can provide valuable insights into the ecology and conservation of these important avian species. In this video, we will explore the different aspects of stork behavior, including their feeding habits, social interactions, and reproduction, among other things. Storks are large, long-legged birds that are easily recognizable by their distinctive appearance. They have long, slender necks and bills that are adapted for foraging in shallow waters and for grasping prey. Storks are also known for their impressive wingspan, which can reach over 10 feet in some species. These birds typically have white or black plumage, with some species featuring bold patterns or bright colors on their wings and tails. Storks are highly adaptable and are found in a variety of habitats, including wetlands, grasslands, and forests. They are also known for their exceptional migratory abilities, with some species traveling thousands of miles each year to breed and feed in different regions. Storks are highly adaptable birds that can be found in a wide range of habitats across the world. They are commonly associated with wetland environments, such as marshes, swamps, and river deltas. However, storks are also known to inhabit grasslands, savannas, and even forested areas. In addition, some stork species are well adapted to urban environments and can be seen nesting on buildings and other man-made structures. The specific habitat requirements of storks vary depending on the species, with some requiring large areas of undisturbed habitat for breeding and nesting, while others are more adaptable and can thrive in fragmented or degraded habitats. Despite this, many stork populations are facing threats from habitat loss and degradation, highlighting the importance of protecting their habitats to ensure their continued survival. Storks have a varied diet that includes a wide range of prey items, depending on the species and the habitat in which they live. Many storks are carnivorous and feed on a variety of small animals, such as fish, amphibians, reptiles, insects, rodents, and small birds. They are known for their exceptional hunting skills and can be seen stalking their prey in shallow water, open fields, or along the edges of wetlands. Some stork species, such as the marabou stork, are also known to scavenge on carrion and waste, making them important members of many ecosystems. Overall, storks are opportunistic feeders that are well adapted to a variety of prey items, allowing them to survive and thrive in many different environments. However, like many other bird species, storks are also facing threats from habitat loss and degradation, which can impact their ability to find adequate food resources. Stork mating is a fascinating process that involves elaborate courtship displays and rituals. Mating typically occurs during the breeding season, which varies depending on the species and the location. During this time, male storks will often engage in elaborate displays of flight, vocalizations, bill clattering, neck ondulating, and nest building to attract a mate. Once a pair has formed, they will work together to build a nest, which can be quite large and complex, using sticks, twigs, and other materials. The female typically lays a clutch of 1 to 6 eggs, which both parents incubate for a period of around 30 to 40 days. Once the chicks hatch, they are initially covered in down and rely on their parents for warmth and protection. As the chicks grow, they develop feathers and eventually fledge, or leave the nest, after a period of 60 to 90 days. Stork pairs are known for their strong pair bonding and excellent parenting skills, with both parents sharing in the responsibilities of feeding, protecting, and nurturing their young. Although some species are solitary, storks are generally social birds that exhibit a variety of interesting behaviors in their interactions with other members of their species. Many stork species are known for their communal nesting habits, with multiple pairs nesting in close proximity to one another. This can lead to the formation of large colonies, with some colonies containing hundreds or even thousands of nests. Storks are also highly vocal birds and use a variety of calls and vocalizations to communicate with one another. These vocalizations can serve a variety of functions, including warning of predators, defending territory, and coordinating feeding and nesting activities. In addition, storks are known to engage in displays of aggression and dominance, particularly during the breeding season, when competition for resources and mates is at its highest. Storks are known for their remarkable behavioral adaptations, which have allowed them to thrive in a wide range of environments and habitats. One of the most notable adaptations of storks is their long legs, which allow them to wade through shallow water in search of prey. This adaptation is particularly useful for species that live in wetland environments, such as the white stork and the wood stork. Another important adaptation of storks is their keen eyesight, which allows them to spot prey from great distances. This adaptation is particularly useful for species that hunt in open grasslands and savannas, such as the black-necked stork and the African openbill. Additionally, many storks have specialized bills and feeding behaviors that allow them to capture and eat a variety of prey items, including fish, amphibians, reptiles, insects, and small mammals. The conservation status of storks varies depending on the species and their respective habitats. Some stork species, like the white stork and black stork, are considered to be of least concern by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN. However, others, such as the greater adjutant, is considered endangered, while the lesser adjutant is considered vulnerable, due to habitat loss, hunting, and pollution. Many stork species face threats from habitat destruction and degradation, as well as hunting and poaching for their feathers, meat, and eggs. Climate change is also expected to have an impact on stork populations, particularly those that rely on wetland habitats that may become more unpredictable or degraded in the future. Conservation efforts to protect storks and their habitats include the establishment of protected areas, the restoration of wetlands and other important ecosystems, and measures to reduce hunting and poaching. In summary, storks exhibit fascinating behaviors, such as complex social dynamics and unique adaptations for feeding and mating. Their versatility and adaptability allow them to thrive in various habitats, from natural wetlands to urban environments. By studying stork behavior, researchers can gain a better understanding of these birds and the ecosystems they inhabit, and work to develop conservation strategies to help protect these important species for future generations.